welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody are doing great and hope everyone are enjoying your winter. So we're gonna do another dessert and it's gonna be tiramisu. So join me as I show you the easiest way to do it. Okay guys? For the ingredients you will need 1 1/2 cup of strong coffee and you will need rum. So I'm just gonna put a little rum on that, on the coffee, and you will need 3 eggs. The 3 eggs you have to separate the yolk from the white. You will need only the yolk and then create a custard out of the yolk, and you put some fine sugar as well, and then vanilla, and then you will need mascarpone cheese, and you will need 35% cream, and you will need the main ingredients is this, the lady finger. So those are the ingredients, and I'll show you how to prepare everything in the process. So I'll make a custard first, and then from there we'll mix everything using the mixer for the cream and the mascarpone cheese as well as the custard. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is to separate the yolk from the white. Okay, so we need the yolk only for the custard. I have my egg yolk here. I think I break it, and 1/3 of a cup of fine sugar, and then we'll put it in the double boiler, and I will make it into a custard. Once it becomes smooth, then you remove it. Yeah, once it is smooth and there is no clumps on the sugar, you can feel it once you touch it, and then the sugar has been melted with the yolk, and then that's okay. Right now, custard is cooked once you touch it, and you don't feel any sugar in it, and it's smooth, and that's your custard is done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do next is using a hand mixer, we're gonna do the mascarpone cheese, and after the mascarpone cheese is the cream, and then we'll incorporate everything and use it as a cream on the tiramisu. Alright, I think this is done. This is a very good. We will beat the mascarpone cheese. Then we'll mix it up with the custard, okay? What to do is to mix the cream. Consistency of the cream. You can see I added 4 tablespoons of sugar on my cream. Okay, so now we're going to incorporate all of them together. Oh my god. The cream is ready. You see it? It's ready. So let me just bake a little. Oh my god, it's delicious. Okay, so now what we can do is to lay down the lady finger. So you have to leave it only for 3 seconds or 2 seconds. I'm gonna add some rum on my coffee. I'm gonna soak the lady finger. 1, 2, 3. Don't make it too long. Now I'm gonna cut these. Let's see. Then you can put the cream on the top. We're doing the second layer now. cheese is ready, so we're going to refrigerate it and we'll wait for a couple of hours. The most is 6 hours. Or tomorrow, this is gonna be good tomorrow, and then we dust it with chocolate, cocoa powder, sorry. Yeah. So here it is, guys. So we're gonna start cutting it. Let's see. Can't wait to taste it. Okay.